All right. So what I'm gonna do is go to this home. Yes, home. It's like when people say, "Look at how much." It's more the fact that it can. True. So if they wanted to like hide whatever news they wanted to hide, they could because it was filtered through like the newspaper, and that was the only form of media. Now with like social media, oh, not hide. My bad. Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I think last year when I was talking about like how kids in like 2075 are not gonna be able to comprehend a world before like flying cars or robots walking the streets and automation and stuff. It's kind of hard for me to like to think about a world where people aren't don't have the like the ability to like record whatever they want to. Like you can literally just you can film your entire life if you want to. Whatever's happening around you. Yeah. There's entire pages that are dedicated to stuff like that. Wait a second. I think I'll comment. I won't comment this out because what I'm about to do is kind of necessary. Uh, what needs to happen though is no daily affirmations. What? What is this called? Daily daily entry. Uh, I think unfortunately, let's see how it goes. But I think just naturally YouTube is a little bit more delayed than Twitch. Twitch has like IRC and YouTube is something else. What does navbar do? Let's do this. We can do that. These are really the main two that I use. So let's try this. This is leaving. I don't need that. I don't need either one of these. Oh, that's so cool. I really like how in Angular, if I link, if I have like a class associated with like the like say for example A and then the color is I don't know like let's try it out red like oops oops if I have this like locked off in here. Oh, yeah. If I have this like locked, this is like a universal thing. Yeah. But if I have this locked off, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Um, this would be like a universal thing. So if it's not linked here, it's not gonna show up as like a thing in here. Why is this why is this not you know what? I'm not doing that. Let's do that. But what I need to do is, oh, maybe because of that. But what I need to do, these aren't being used. Okay. Huh? Wait. I had this problem before. No, 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 no. Is router link. Oh, maybe I need to link that. Router link. Import router link. And then do that. Yep. Okay, I'm remembering things now. Cool. All right, so that didn't take too long. I may style it. Sorry, this may take a little bit longer. I said it wasn't gonna take too long. Uh, what is this under? Home container A. I don't know what this is gonna do. Uh, I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. Let's do that. What? What? Are these bold? I don't want that. Border 1px solid, whatever that says. That's not what I wanted. Uh, uh, let's do that. All right. Uh, and board. OPX. Let's do that. Now, also, two. Now, also, let's do like a on hover. What does it do? Better? And then also like a on focus or on active. Oops. Oops. Okay, that's getting a little bit crazy. All right, cool. That's what I wanted to do with the home. Because I just don't like going here all the time. But also, let me try it out with, oh, if I'm not signed in, it's not even going to show it. Okay, cool. Okay. Um, now in here, wait. This may be right here. What am I gonna do here? Past recipe. Let's do um because I want to have it so that right now I'm only able to input data. I want to be able to see what I've put in the past. I want to see my data. So we can do that. Open up this TypeScript file. This actually came in handy today. Like really, really, really in handy. Um I also realized that I'm gonna have to figure this out. This isn't gonna work because these are currently under here. It would probably be better if I had a sign in with Google button and this. I think that may be the plan in the not too distant future. The reason why I need to test that out or add that is because I need my daily entries and stuff like that to be user specific. Because the same way that I'm gonna be able to, hopefully today, the same way that I'm gonna be able to open up past recipes, I need to be able to open up my past daily entries, and my past daily entries need to be user specific. True. True, true, true. Oh, wait. I think I know what you're talking about. Have a sign in or a sign up. Like if it's not recognized, have like a drop down, like a error message and be like, this user name or email or whatever pass or something isn't recognized. Sign up instead. And then sign up sends like an email to me or something to verify it. And then I approve people. It's like an invite only kind of thing. But hide it as like sign up. I don't know. Mm, thank you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Because you're going crazy over there. Let's go. Come here. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Or really, I could automate the whole process to be like, it gets up to the point to where like it emails me like what they put into the sign up form, and I just press a button and then they're automatically like in the system now, just with like blank data. So I don't have to manually do it each time. Just flags the user as yeah, true, true, true. Yeah, that'd be so cool. Uh, there's so many things I can do with this that it's like the possibilities are really endless, but I also have to be like focused. That's a beautiful thing about software. You can truly like just make whatever you want, but whatever you want isn't necessarily good. But like you could stumble upon something that's like magical. It's truly like up to your imagination. And of course, you don't have to check at log time. True. Yeah, that too. Oh, that's another thing that I'm like thinking about is like all these processes that I'm thinking about and everything, how I know how to do it. I know how to do it in CRUD terms, but I don't want to keep on doing read writes to my database. I want to learn how to be more efficient about it, but I don't know how to work around that so that I'm not like just constantly doing read writes. Is that the trap of like using cloud and like just funnel people into just doing CRUD operations all the time and just doing okay, because Firebase charges people based off of like the read writes. No, well, there's a tier. Hold up, let me pull it up. Like it's usage, usage. Currently, I'm at 0, but like I can have so many downloads until like I'm like capped off. Oh, a day. Okay, I feel a little bit better now. Plan update. Oh. Mm, let's add a button. Let's add a button just to start off some type of progress. In here. This is add recipe. Oh. Do I need to make a new tab or use this same page? I'm thinking about this. Like, because it has to be like shown somewhere. Uh, Let me think about this. Because the recipe, okay. That I think I did this all the way wrong. I structured it in a way that it's like easy access for me, so I can just like easily plop in and add data. But like truly I think what needs to be done is having a like a plus button. A plus button, and it's like a drop down and it says either add a recipe or add a daily entry. Wait, where am I? Oh, yes, continue without supporting. Select? What select? I'm confused. What select? Per hour? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Wow. But is it just you or how many users is this? Oh. And this is over the span of what? This past month? Per hour? Oh. Oh, okay. I need to get to this level. That's the goal. I need these kind of problems and not just these puny problems like this. But first, how am I gonna do this? Okay, so well, I don't know any other way. Let's do login and block shows when the user's logged in. Let's also add in a no, it's not gonna be user info. No, wait, uh, I messed up. Create. There's gonna be like an add button. No, it's gonna be a button. Create. It's not gonna have that either. When you get your app working, I can teach you proper databases and get yourself a small host. Thank you. Thank you. Uh, this is okay. I know where I'm going. Oh, I'm not signed in here. Whoops. Uh, does create work? Well, I guess it's only plus. Only this. Isn't it a circular? This may be good enough, actually. Start using this icon, set it up. No, let's just use the SVG right here. This is gonna look trash. Okay, this isn't good. Create button, navbar, TypeScript. Blah, 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 blah. No, it's not gonna be create recipe. Create modal. Open create modal. So here, I can close all this up. I'm gonna need the CSS of this as well. Wait, why am I doing this? I just realized something. This is like further down the line than I anticipated. Because it's a mobile first design. And if I want to get to that, yeah, that's not gonna work. That's not, that's not gonna work. So really, I can do that. And comment this out. Dang it. Dude, that's what I'm gonna do. Now transition back to recipes. So this recipes. Wait, I never close that off. Wait a minute. Huh? Oh, I messed up big time. Why can't I track this down? Oh, okay. Okay. So outside of this, I'm going to have. This is what mobile looks like. I'm going to have. Hmm? Sorry. Whoa. First. You want to add the proper input type or format somewhere next, like index length inches. Oh, there isn't one. It's just like a digital, like it. There isn't one. Time, there isn't one. Crap. How can I show, for example, let's do this. I want to be able to show this. Do I even have a picture of it? The, sure. There isn't one. Like, this is the mole time. There isn't one. Oh, well, I have the only type that they can put in here is a number. I have that type of validation, if that's what validation is. Yeah, they can't put anything else in there. Like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then it has also the proper, like, these are all numbers. These are all numbers, and it also has the proper like type text whenever I want to put in like the product name or whatever. So at least I did that part correctly on first try. I'm really hung up on this of like how to set this up. I may just make another link and another component. Cause what is it gonna be? That's a thing. Oh, cool. That's cool. I didn't know that was possible. I need to make this though. NGGC. Mhm. I'm trying to understand this. Is that just four tentacles? But like, what? Hold up. It's just like the default. Wait, that's a value or default value? But like, if a default value isn't specified, then this is just basically an acting default value. Weird. List, max, min, placeholder. There's a string. Hmm. Read only. Step. Oh, that's interesting. Be used for incremental numbers, especially when spin button or number, but in general, the website I got the best docs. Oh yeah, Mozilla. Like this site has helped me many days, many days. Oh, that's actually what I want to get rid of. Wait a minute. No. Oh well. Is that a thing? I can't? What do you mean? Uh-huh. It's like, oh, I think I know what it is. It's in the CSS, I think. What is this again? It's in all of these. So for this form, what is this form called? Let's call it something. Class recipe form. So in recipe form, I can't. I feel like I've done this in the past, but not simple. It was I used Stack Overflow for it, but it's something in the CSS that that yeah. Uh number text. This is also for why is that? Hello? Why is it doing this? Oh, I was like, what? Ow, chat. Wait a second. Give me a second. Um, hold up. Give me a second. This Santa thing keeps on popping up. Okay. Oh, let me see if it works. Yeah, it does. Granted, I'm only on Chrome. So also I'm on Chrome and I'm also on a Mac. So I don't know how it looks like on Windows. What it looks like on Windows. Yeah. Safari, I think it works as well. Uh, localhost? Ah, dang it. Why is it not letting me do this? Why is it not letting me do this? It's not letting me pull it up on Safari, but I'm pretty sure it'll work on Safari as well. But I'll be right back. Uh, no more than 5. Hold up, I'll be right back. Hold up. Yeah. Was that Santa smoking? Wait, hold up. Okay, okay, this is just bad. Hold up, hold up. I almost clicked stop, like stop streaming. Mm. Okay. The first time I saw this, I thought it was like 100 men versus a gorilla, but it wasn't, unfortunately. Um. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm only giving myself the next hour, and then I'm getting off, just to like manage my time a little bit better. But um what needs to happen is like I want a button that says this isn't what I want it to do or want it to look like. It's like a div of buttons. No, actually, links times 4 and F1, F2, F3, and F4. Yeah, yeah, that's really what I need to do. Ugh. See, this is trash. And hold up, how is this H2 centered, but this form isn't centered? Can I get some margin zero auto? Is that possible? Oh my gosh! Thank you. I'll give this app to Frank tomorrow. Yeah, that's a good philosophy. That's a good philosophy or outlook to have at the end of a coding session or at the beginning of a coding session. Okay, we're making progress here. This is going to be something. I don't know. It's going to look like it's a div of these, but I need to. How would I set this up? How would I set? I need to figure out the like the. Should it be a list? I kind of want it to like. Well, never mind. Yeah, you're right. But they're. of lines. Yeah, but these are actually hash recipe that. Yeah, but I haven't set that up yet. Um, I would have just left what you had and put a list and Yeah. Um, but I'm on salad for now. But really, what I wanted to do is like have it be like horizontal, something like that. That's what I had in mind. But I need to figure out how would I set up. Oh, oh, wait. I think this is how I do it. Oh, line. Please work like that. Please let it be intuitive. And it doesn't work. Does it have off guard on it? Is that the problem? That's the problem? All right. Off guard is the problem. How is off guard the problem? Let me see if this works. There's so many. Now it's like a three-step process now. I hate this. Now just change the list to be inline. Would that work? Where'd I do that at? Oh, oh. This is gonna have to be have a not for all. Yeah, past recipes lists. What's that doing? Why is it doing that? Um, past recipes list. Past recipes. I don't need that. Display inline, but with 100%. What is that? With what? Not for all lists. Put a class on the outer UL here, or oh, how would I? I want them to take up. You can't. I'm trying to apply to. Oh, wait a minute. UL have that take up the with 100%, and then have the crap. Have that take up the 100. You want to 100% the whole UL? Can't be 100%? Why not? Then at that point, do I need to display inline that? No. Oh, sorry. Yes? Wait. Huh? Let's do flex? See, I don't really have um that much experience with inline. So what I'm gonna do is oh, whoops. Inline block. That's not what I wanted to do. Wait. Uh with 100% and also have a gap of that. That's kind of what I wanted to do. Hey, what's up, Pixel? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hopefully today didn't treat you too badly at work and everything. Also, I was thinking about it. Um, oh, text line. Okay, good. But I was thinking about it. As much as I was talking about playing Dofus, we still have not played Dofus yet. Like honestly. Oh, how many did you send out? Border. I just now reached level like 33, but I'm also like really not leveling all that much. I died to I've never been here before, but it was like the Vulcan something. That's good. That's a good start. That's a good start. I'm scared though to apply to places. Does that work? Let's just do that. Lucky. I need to get back on leveling my profession too. What all what's your like your highest ticket like what makes you the most money? Uh, but which bread? These H2s have to do something. Margin 20 M both ways. Auto? Oh no. Margin. This is even worse. How is this worse? Let's do 4. Okay, no. One. I can make around ooh, waffles actually. Wow. Wait, I forgot you told me that there was? Oh, so this isn't as close to these as that's taking up the whole thing. Um, but I forgot that you told me that they reworked how that profession works. So you can basically be a baker as well, being a farmer. So get rid of what I just did here. What did I just? Where is that? Where is that? Oh, wait. Oh, Martop. Oh, thank you. Sorry, this is gonna. There we go. It's just farmer now. Interesting. Interesting. I think now that I have the weekend off, finally, hopefully I have the weekend off, I'm gonna be able to like level or do whatever I want to on the weekend. Cause man, I'm tired of not having weekends. Just curious because I never dealt with Angular 2 in depth. How does it handle state and global state, aka, I was asking AI that exact same question, and I think it just come here. I think it handles it innately. Because it's with injections. It's not a hook. It's injections. So like it's called a service, I believe, and uh, it's like it uses inject. Oh, not the guard. Sorry. Um, yeah, and you're able to keep track of what goes on in there with like observables, and you export this, and you can use this off service wherever, and you can access like the user data by having this variable and observable that tracks the state of the auth. It like how I'm understanding it. You would probably understand it better than I could, like at a like developer level. But that's how I understand it. Like you can just export this service and use it wherever you want to, and actually use it like in a modular way. So like if I want a component that doesn't need to use the context, it doesn't necessarily have to load it at all. I've never heard of services singletons. Like, okay, I have it in home. I have it in nav bar. Yeah, I have it here. I think I might have it. No, yeah, I do have. I have it actually everywhere. Um, yeah, I have it everywhere. So everywhere that I want to use it, I can use it. Um, but I would have to inject it. The thing about Angular, you have to be like extremely like intentional with what you want. I like that though. Yes. Yes. And I was just looking at how I may be able to like do something globally, like what would be global in like a CSS file in React. If I don't import this into my style URLs, it's not going to update. It's not gonna like take effect in that specific component. And I like that so much. That's something I was looking for the entire time that I was using React, but everything that I tried wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. But Angular does that. Yes. It's so cool. Stripe? Ooh. Never heard of Elastic. Autodesk I have heard of though. If they will, they will. You have to be optimistic. You're a great developer. You're a lead. So you're already a great developer. All you have to do is just pass the well, not even pass because like it's not really like a test for you to pass or fail. It's really never heard of deal either. All you really have to do is go into the behavioral interview and just be yourself. And they should, be aligned with you. Workday. You apply to the devil? What's wrong with you? Chat, hey, GCP. GCP. That's what I'm talking about. Hold up. So there's this. Oh, that's another thing. I need this to take up the entire. I need this to. Mm, mm, that's how I do it. I need to learn how to use that more in depth. I've heard of Cloud Run. I think I've used Cloud Run, but I need to use it more in depth, especially with like Vertex AI. I did a little simulation or something that used Cloud Run too recently. Chat, you okay? And it was pretty cool. Like it showed me like which one was being triggered at which time. It was pretty cool. Amazon AWS doesn't have anything that's like the equivalent. Sorry. If I'll gulp in the microphone, let me know. I'll stop doing this. Usually you just boot an EC2 and host the image there. Oh. I hate EC2. I'll be honest. I hate EC2. Their naming sucks. I know that Google's naming like sucks on like consumer facing products and stuff, but AWS's product naming and the amount of products that they have, it is horrible. They gotta clean that up. Honest, like that's really the main reason why I do not want to learn AWS. There's too many things to learn. Uh-uh. I don't have time for that. Microvims. Hmm. Still, honestly, I don't see myself switching anytime soon. I should honestly get a GCP tattoo at this point. That's really what's keeping me in the development game. Because if I had to switch to if GCP didn't exist, I probably wouldn't be developing now. Ooh, awesome. How do you get certified? Is that like is that something that you go to school for, or is it like a boot camp for it? Does that work like that? Can I still go there? I can. Wow. Uh-huh. 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 So the, let's take this off guard off. Why does off guard? Like what? Oh, I know why. Whoops. I know why. Okay. This has something to do with I need to first read. Uh, uh um, the ability to read my fire sword. Oh, that's cool. How long did it take you to study though? Most such things work the same way. Learn and take the exam. Because my friend did the GCP one, and I think recently the Azure one as well. But I don't know. I'm not big on certifications. because like they aren't the same as like degrees or like formal education. And I don't know if they really translate into like getting a job the same way formal education does. It does. What else would like help you get hired though? As far as like something to put on your resume. Portfolio. But how, okay, if you're not technical, like okay, my friend is not technical at all. Like he doesn't know what GitHub is. He's in sales. So he's like looking more towards like a tech sales route. So like what else would you put on your portfolio if you're looking if you if you have if you are GCP certified? Oh. Oh well. Because it's an additional indicator of he knows what we need. Ooh, if he's in sales, he does not need. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. What the heck? Wait. Wait. Ow. He just needs to show he is able to sell stuff. Oh yeah, he can sell. Cloud is such a big thing and it's like of itself and it's ever growing. Understanding the product is so hard and you're constantly gonna like gonna have to be like learning at all times because there's new things happening in the cloud at all times. Uh wait, yeah. That's why I'm not in sales. I'm not good at selling things. That's why there's a reason why you have never seen me like be like, "Uh, follow the link and I have a course." No, I'm not that kind of person. Don't. I'm not that kind of person. I don't sell things. I'm here for the vibes. Sells. Oh, okay. So this is what I need. What I need to do is search for a oh, thank you. Please do this. I need to be able to look at the URL. Example line. Wait, how would I be able to look at the URL? How would this is basically like JavaScript stuff, I think. How would I be able to get the URL? I forgot how to do it because the line would be like a huh? What the heck? Oh my goodness. To get a parameter from the URL, such as like a line name, you can use Angular's activated route service. What the heck? Angular has everything is in it. What? They already have it. What? This will allow you to make Dynamic based on the current URL? This is insane. Man, there's so many batteries. Oh my goodness. Tesla has nothing on on Angular. This has so many batteries and it doesn't have battery degradation. I'm not familiar with this though. This dot wait, snapshot param get line. The heck is that? Really? Why don't you like batteries included? Equals line. First off, what is that? Oh, huh? Incorrect usage? Thank you, because this is stupid. I don't like that. It keeps on trying to like recommend me object, and I never use object in a CLG. And I don't like magic. I like building my stuff and having control. True, true. I understand where you're coming from, but like it's TypeScript, so you're still building things intentionally, and they deprecate like or not deprecate. They abstract so many things for you, but like not in a way that's like you can still build it from scratch because it's TypeScript. I love Angular. I'm sorry. I think I love everything that Google makes. This is not the life that I wanted for myself. All right. Google made Go. I thought Microsoft made Go. What? Oh, interesting. He's 82 years old? My goodness. Okay, wait. People that worked at Google made Go or Google themselves made Go? Because he worked at Bell Labs. I saw that they're using Go. I saw that. Whoops. What did I just do? Oh, I need to be able to see this. URL for line. How does this get that? Google is still maintaining Go, but it's open source, meaning everyone can contribute. Oh, cool. Cool. So from here, I should be able to like if line, yes, yes, handle this case. Wait, what? No. What else needs to be? I want to display I want to display. Huh? I can get rid of this now. Or very. Explain that. I don't know what that means. All right. We're good there. So now I can delete this and what? What does it say? Uh, recipes for. Hmm, Whoops. Huh? Huh? Wait. What was that? Recipe dot li Oh, oh. That's stupid. Okay. Is it gonna show up? No. Oh, maybe because of that. Whoops. H2. Smart top, actually. Smart top. 3. It's also, and it's open source, which is kind of great. My complaint doesn't really go against Go as such. More about the way it just abandon certain projects. Well, Google, they also have that Google graveyard thing. That's kind of what they do. They introduce things, abandon it, and then other companies, kind of, just take their ideas and monetize off of it because it's not as high a margin as search, but it can make money for somebody else. Recipes for that now. Hmm. What is this? All right. I want to now. Oh, this isn't even. Oh. All right. So I want to list this in a way. What is this? Dot. Is that gonna work? Router link. Rest. No. 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 For every recipe that's associated with that, n- it's not gonna be the form, but just give me a span that says no, not the line, but something else. Recipe what? Recipe Uh, is that a thing here? Please be a thing. Yes. Heat zones. Please show. Oh, you're not showing anything. Put a div with a class around the list and you can style it. Oh, right now I'm not worried about styling because I want to kick that habit. I really do because I spent so much time even worrying about this. I want to kick that habit so bad. Uh, what does it say? Uh, span. Hello. So this is wrong. Dot link. What? I don't need that. Oh, why are there two different ones? What? There's what? 828 and what? 950? And this is for what? F1? Why is 950 a set point? Oh, just going to load a YouTube video, go to sleep. Ah. Unfortunately, you don't have a 3-day weekend like we do in America. It's Independence Day on Friday, so yeah. But good night. Have a good one, and I'll message you at some point this weekend and see if you're on or free to play Dofus. This weekend, something is happening with Dofus, and I will message you. Oh, are you recognizing American holidays now? Salute. Yes, sir. But for real, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. You are so over your company. Yeah. I'm sorry. It'll get better. Just stay consistent. It'll get better. And stress free. Drink water. Go outside whenever you feel stressed. That's F2. Why the heck? Why the heck? Just put me in contact with a recruiter. Ooh, cool. Cool. W friend. So it shouldn't be too long until you have one yourself. Shouldn't be. Yeah. Yeah. Because if it's like a year, only a year, it's kind of hard to like, yeah, because you should probably be in the job market, and who knows what the job market's going to look like a year from now. Yeah. Hmm. Oh, what the heck just happened? I wonder if there's people that prefer. contract work though, in a decent company. You would have thought that like as time went on, companies would have like stopped being inefficient or like there would there would be less room for like bad companies or companies wouldn't be so bad at like operations. Startup time. Startup time. Let me try to understand this. That's crazy. I'm in the same boat right now. So you want to work at Google? That's what it sounded like. Hmm. They should both read 950 though. Yeah. Really? And I did not accept it. And everyone was like, there you go. And I did not accept it. Man. Do it again. Hit him up. IBM is back on the rise. Mm, recipes isn't observable. Let me. I wish it would stop doing that. Or you could do space stuff. Never heard of any of that. Why is this? Ooh, no. So it's only pulling one. Interesting. F1 line F1. What? It's two times. Two times? Dang. What? Wait. How can I make this plain text? Mm, Actually, for me, that would probably be the equivalent of like 4x. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Like I said, at some point this weekend, I'm messaging you. But if it doesn't happen, no worries. There's always more time. The weekend after that, somewhere in the middle of the week. But yeah. I'm not good enough yet. You can tell by what's on the screen right now. I am not good enough yet. Nope, I'm not worthy. And okay, the reason why I don't feel like I'm good enough for like software roles is like I don't have the resume for it, but also I don't know the right people. But also, okay, wait, I do know the right people, but I'm not the type of person to like ask, like, can you put like a good word in for me? I'm not that type of person. I'd rather just like do my own thing, which is probably stupid, but no, because what if I suck? And then now the person that recommended me looks crazy because I said that I knew React, and apparently I don't know React. Like, no, I'm not doing that. I'd rather just make my money in thermoforming. Easy. Easy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What just happened? Okay, I'm good. I'm back. I thought I disconnected. Sorry. Why would this be showing? Oh, what? Wait, is this the same thing? No. 950 and 828. Did I flip those? That's all right. I suck. The set point is 950 on F1. I think today I blanked on it. Or yesterday I blanked on it. The actual value is 828. And the set point is 950. Yeah, it's not the same. Yeah. That's what I checked. Was the created that. I was like, is this the same? Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Okay. I didn't refresh anything on this page. Oh, nor did I do any like save whatever. The observable actually tracks it in real time. React does not have this. I'm never building another project in React again. You can't convince me. Okay, now what needs to happen is this is a strong. This is a strong recipe. No, this is no. This is no. This is top. What is this thing called? How does the observable keep track of that? I don't. Well, does Firebase send events? Not sure. Well, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure Firebase does send the real time data of it, but I think because React only uses like the virtual DOM, it isn't able to update that in real time in the same way. React doesn't use the virtual DOM the same way that Angular does. And I don't know the architecture of Angular and how it does it, but that was beautiful. top main. Now this is going to be near side rail. Uh, near side rail. That's not it. Oh. Top. What does it look like? I'm just making stuff up. There is no bottom. Unfortunately, there are not bottom heaters on this line, which is kind of asinine. Oh, 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 this is wrong. Wait, no, it's not. For each one of these, I need to. There's a list of these, but I need to make a div that has a class of recipe details. What is this? It has a class of recipe details, and there's no bottom. Uh, far side rail. What else is there? Oh, that's it. So this, just to like separate this and see what it's doing. Recipe details. Let's make a border around this. Border 1px black, just to keep it simple. Okay, cool. So these are two different things. I also need to put the date that it was made. Uh, date. Recipe ID? No. Recipe date. D- Uh, uh, recipe dot created at. Please show up in. My goodness. Okay. Two string? How am I gonna do this? This sucks. How would I be able to convert a times? Just look at docs how to convert. It's just JS. Is this just JS? Oh, to do two date string. Hold up. I I am upset. Is that it? No. It's something like that. Okay. Mozilla, where are you? Please let me copy this. This would be, oh, this says date ran. Oh, come on. To date. What did I put? I'll put two string. Whoops. Date short. My bad. Were both of these submitted at 255? You're kidding. That's insane. That's cool. Okay. So, actually, small.
but I kind of want this here. Uh, there we go. And then fill out the rest of this with, I don't know if I need to fill out how much was made and all that stuff. I know I need to do index length. Uh, uh, div strong index length. What time am I at? Oh gosh, I'm not where I need to be. Um, not index length. And can I put in something that doesn't align with? Is it gonna throw an error? So it's not gonna throw an error. This is not gonna pull up anything. Okay, fine. Make it look the same as the input form. I'm kind of purposefully not doing that. You know what? You're right. Just to have some consistency. Um, and I also need to make this collapsible too. No error message. Well, maybe you should click on that and want to see the details. No. Here. Yes. Line. I don't need that. Uh, product name. Let's do that. Let's do all this. Oh, that's a problem. Now that's a problem. Hey, what's up, Black Cat? What's up? What has Black Cat and Pixel ever been in the same stream at the same time? Okay. No, they never met because they're the same person. I don't know how you want it, but for consistency, at least the full view should be the same. This condensed list can, of course, yeah. I think that may be what I do. Just have the condensed list be like when it was made, and then expand it, and then just show the full form. That may make the most sense. I'll just copy paste this and uh do something here, but in a way that in a way can ooh. Let's wrap this in a div. Wrap this in a div. Yes. Now what I need to do is I don't need that. All these heat zones. Zone. I don't need that for every for how would I pull that in? For of recipe dot what are you talking about? It's not a form. Okay, fine. Disabled on all of these. Disabled. Uh, disabled. Yes. 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 And yes. Have consistent entry view so you know where the elements are. Yeah. You're right. You're right. Thank you. Because when you use a certain form enough, you don't even look at the labels anymore, just at the location. Oh, was the meeting good though? What the heck? So these set points. Oh, that's another product name. These aren't even gonna be inputs. Wait, these are actually. Wait, let me ask AI to do this and make it look good. So, can you convert this? What I have highlight. It's not even talking. All right. Can you convert what I have highlighted to what's holding this up? Recipes, HTML, past recipes. Recipes that and past recipes, CSS, please. Do that. Sorry. I'm sorry. I just don't want to be mean. Cause like eventually they're going to be walking and talking. They're gonna be able to remember how I address them. Um, can you convert what I have highlighted to match how it looks on the recipes page? I want each recipe to be collapsible, but when it's expanded, I want it to look exactly like the form on the recipe page. Um, I don't want any of the fields to be editable. Um, what else? There's something else. I want to show each of the past recipes that. Ah, hopefully that works. And truly, at that point, I think I'll be able to say that I'm done for the day because, like, then I'll be satisfied, and then I can just do the daily entries tomorrow. I can help you with that. I will refactor that to display a collapsible list of past recipes style similar to that. Also, to style the collapsible sections. It looks good. I've never seen the details uh uh tag used like that. Uh please. Now I need to do that. Hopefully it looks good. I don't need to do anything else in my I don't need to do anything else in my TypeScript file. Oh, AI teaching you about okay, I know that it's a thing, but I've never seen it used. Todd Howard. Like the Bethesda the Bethesda developer? Huh? Oh. Oh. I was like, how do I look like how do I look like him? What? Dog, what? How do I look remotely similar to this person? Yeah, all right. Tell your friend he needs glasses. They need glasses. No, don't do that to me. I'm way too beautiful for this. Don't do that to me. Do you know how much I sacrificed? Oh. Ah, crap. It's not showing. This isn't showing. Recipe product name? Product name? That's a thing. Why is it not showing? If that, do that for each recipe. How did I get it to show before? Um, eh, let, mm, mm, mm. This sucks. Now I'm gonna have to troubleshoot this whole thing. This thing is blank. Is it possible for me to? No, I can't do that. Tools, extensions, Firebase, Data Connect. That is not what I want to do. Never mind. It's extremely woke. He literally sees no color. Just just ultraviolet. Oh crap. Okay. Can I use JS in here? Summary. None of this is showing. Huh? Display none. What is this talking about? Because this isn't pulling in the right thing, I don't think. Oh, man, that's not it. That is not it. Yeah, that's not it. We delete this whole thing because no, it's not it. Huh? Something, something's taking it away. What? I've never heard that before. It's doing it. I've heard that before. Recipes F1. Recipes F2. Oh, Todd, Todd Howard. I'm sticking to it. Todd Howard. Let's actually comment this whole thing out because something is making this not. Thank you. Something in here is making this not show. Disabled. What's at the bottom of this? That makes sense. Okay. I think it may be this. From Police Academy? Please don't do me dirty. Hold up. Wait. Wait. Oh, that's his name. I was thinking of another. Oh, I was thinking of Carl Winslow. You know, my hairline isn't messed up, but I can kind of see it. I can kind of see it. Is it doing it now? Oh, I haven't saved it yet. So this works. So these things work. Sorry. Index length. This is index length. Mold cycle time. Pieces made. Scrap amount. What's the problem with displaying this? What was the problem? It had me thinking that Copilot was messing up. There was no problem with this. Hey, I'll to you too. Okay, I'm sorry. I played enough CS:GO or I played enough Counter Strike to know what this is, but I cannot speak that language. I'm sorry. I know cuss words, but not fluently. What does this say? Hold up. Google Translate. Healthy? I look healthy to you? Wait. Hold up. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, hold up. Wait, because what they just sent me was something very different. Well, this is also Google Translate auto detecting something, but this is healthy. Is it Russian or Belarusian? Oh, oh, sorry. All right. All right. Wait. I've probably been live a little bit too long. Sorry. Hold up. Where's my tab at? Oh. Hopefully. See, certain things aren't. Oh, okay. I don't know why there was such a problem with updating this. Um, let's see. Accidentally? I'm sorry. I won't go live anymore. Accidentally. Oh, well, I can kind of get away with that if I just speak. Oh, wait. Are you using Google Translate as well? Or do you speak English? Wow. That's how you spell English in in Spanish. Yes? I'm confused on what yes is in this context. Oh, okay. Ooh, also, wait. Does this work in here? And it does not work. This doesn't work. How would I be able to share this? How would I be able to share this? Oh, no. Huh? Oh, it's looking me straight in my face. Uh, There we go. How about that? Um, let's do that. Ow. Something is in my eye. Look, I'm trying to. Okay, I'm doing the American thing. My bad. Sorry. I'm doing the American thing. I like your name though. Let's see if this works for F2. And it does work. Ooh, interesting. What does it look like on mobile? Please don't break. Ooh, cool. I think that would be there's other countries too. Y'all don't speak English. Okay, because okay, wait. Going back to this, I was looking no, wrong. I was looking at one of these and Russian. They don't have like in Spanish, it's called like Inglés. But like if I say English here, what? Oh, my bad. Hold up. Sorry. If I say English here, that's insane. I never used this before. Like fast, it says it, but then it's like if I click it for a second time, like really fast, it says it really slow. I've never noticed that. For work and for communication in life, it's very valuable. I'm gonna keep on doing this. I'm sorry. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I shouldn't have a YouTube channel. Okay. Hey. Uh. Oh. And I was always interested in communicating with people who know English. What I can't do is type. I need to work on that. The heck is that? I look at like the Russian language, like the alphabet, and it's so weird. Oh, oh. Well, I think this is an example of Google Translate not being perfect. You never use translator for me. I see how it is because you speak English. That's not the same thing. You speak fluent English. I think I'm basically done with this though. Showing past her recipes and stuff. What is it like on mobile again? Is it breaking it? I don't think this is breaking it. Please don't break it. Please. Thank you. Oh, this is cool then. All right. Sometimes it's not always construct sentences and translates, but it's not critical. But sometimes, yeah. Sometimes it'll just like make something like misconstrue something. Oh, I don't know if it'll translate well though. Do I even know programming languages though? I I can't claim that I know. Okay, you know what? That's not even a. That's not one. That's not one. What? I mean, you're not wrong ever. You're not wrong. What else do I know? Why not? They have their own. Wait, huh? They have their own alphabet. They can translate. What? What's the point of having your own alphabet? You know what? You know what, Ever? You know what I noticed? You actually got overtaken. Someone else over in YouTube land is number one, by the way. Just saying. Hmm. L developer. Uh, Wait. How are there two number ones? Huh? Wait, you started out as number two, but now you're number one off of one message? Oh, that's crazy. Ooh. But I'm still number one. How is that possible? How is that possible? He can't keep getting away with this. He can't keep getting away with this. They said that it updates every day or every stream or something. I don't know how that works though, because it seems like it's carrying over in a lot of practice. Yeah, yeah. Uh, this is how am I this bad at English? How would I format this? Okay. This may be a reflection of the American education system. How am I not able to format this? I know what I want to say. I don't see myself ever not programming, but that's a double negative. So how do you do that? Like how do you Gemini, hold up. Double negatives are fine. What? All right. I'm just gonna leave it as is. I think he got the message. The main thing is discipline. Oh, sorry, I already read that. And often, hmm, good observation. If only you knew how many IT specialists there are now. Yeah, in America, the job market is bad. Oh, and you want to go to America? Ugh. I mean, I believe that you're a good programmer. So just type it. I don't see myself ever stop. I don't it's the stopping part that sounds weird to me. I don't ever see myself abandoning programming. That sounds better. But stopping programming doesn't sound good to me. It hits the ear wrong. Oh, but USA is good to visit for like tourist stuff. That would be good, but living here right now for probably like the next 3 years, probably not a good idea. Oh, I forgot about that. I am such an American. I'm sorry. Y'all are currently in a war. My bad. I completely forgot about that. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Well, with that being said, I think I may head off and just do some stuff in real life. Um, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but what? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Uh, yes, yes. Uh, what is this now? I'm on the 15. Huh? They do all that for 15. Hold up. What? That's insane. This may be more interesting than programming, learning the Russian language, the alphabet. All right, hold up. Are you in the Discord now? No, you're not. Hold up. Well, you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So, um, cuss words. In my next stream, teach me cuss words. Is that 0? That's a lot. No, that's cool. Oh, but I'm probably gonna get off and make these live, make these changes live. Thank y'all for being a part of today, helping me, especially you ever, guiding me in the right direction. And I'll be um in the Discord. I'm not leaving forever, but yeah, I think I'm just like done programming today. I don't feel motivated to program anymore. So yeah. Peace. And tomorrow I'll be back. Later.